What? Say it again. You look like a what?
Don't do that. I look like a witch. Look at there.
Okay, now, so tell us about. Tell us about. Stop.
Ain't I cute? Look at how cute I look. I look like Liz Taylor.
Stop. Okay, tell us the story. Little Mr. John.
What?
Tell us the story of Little Mr. John.
That's the one you want to go out with?
No, I don't want to go out with him. You tell the story now. What did he do?
What did he do? He crapped in the bed. That's one thing he did.
No, what did he do?
He did that for me.
And you walked in the bathroom in the shower, and what was he doing in the shower?
He was supposed to take a bath, and he was sitting on the side of the tub playing with his dead dallywhacker.
There you go.
And I told him to get his hands off of that.
So then what happened when you walked in and you had to have him take a bath? What happened?
What?
And he said when he had to take a bath.
This one girl that was assigned to him said, I can't get Mr. John to take a bath, and if you don't take a bath, I'll get in trouble. I said, well, I'll go in there and tell him he got to take a bath. And I go in there and I say, okay, little Mr. John, it's time for you to get out of that bed and take your bath. It's time to go bathe.
Stop shaking it.
I take my bath at 5 minutes to 11. You don't have to think you got to come in here and tell me what to do. I don't have to listen to you. The hell with you and your way of living.
Good Lord.
5 minutes to 11. I don't even know what time that is, but anyway.
Yeah.